Hello, hey guys! Magandang hapon sa inyong lahat. This is your guest, Mama's Greek Channel, a feed eater, also matarder. So ngayong hapon na ito, tignan natin sabihin sa iyo ng ating mga gabay. So this is a weekly gabay for the month of April 1 hanggang April 7 for the sign of Cancer. So Cancer, welcome to my channel. Ano kayong messages, advices, and spirit guides ang ating masasaga for today's video? Kanina kayang energy or kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Cancerian ang ating mahagilap. So guys, this reading is a reading lamang nila at makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po makaka-relate sa inyo. And comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasaga. And because don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. And hit notification bell for more videos. Sabi ko maraming salamat po. Sa mga walang sawang pagsuporta sa aking channel, lalong-lalo na ang hindi nag-skip ng ads naway pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapan, siksik-liglig nag-uumapaw na biyayang manong balik sa inyo. Let's see what is the messages advice ng ating angel spirit for the sign of Cancer. So let's see and watch this. Ano kaya kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Cancerian ang ating mahagilap? So guys, tuklasin at bubulabugin natin angel spirit. Please give me information po. Okay, there's a death card. Now there's something elegant in your beginning. Na may mga bagay na matatapos na. May magsisilbing pagwawakas dito. No, magkakaroon din ng bago simula. And there's something the Knight of Swords, no? Nagkakaroon ka ng sleepless anxieties, worries. No, iwasan mo mag-isip ng kung ano-ano. There's a Five of Swords, nagkakaroon ng self-sabotage. That because of your action. Nagkaroon ka ng stress dito. Tapusin mo na yung ano na to, no? Yung problemang kinasasangkutan mo, no? Umiwas ka na sa mga bagay na makakasama sa'yo. And there's a time for perfect timing, so kailangan mo maging kalmado. Lilipas din yan. Yung issue na yan, lilipas din yan. And there's a Seven of Swords with the snake and is cheating lie on you. Na may taong nagsinungaling, may taong nagloko sa'yo, no? There's a Ace of Cups with a new love coming in for you. May bagong pag-ibig na papasok dito na magbibigay sa'yo ng bagong simula. The Death card represents with the Kingman. No, you're feeling stuck. You're feeling abandonment. No, kumbaga ito na yung matatapos na, no, yung kahibangan at yung pagbagal ng pasok na magaganda kapalaran sa'yo. Tatapusin na. Baguhin mo na, no? Baguhin mo na raw yung perspective mo, mindset mo, beliefs mo. What is the Knight of Swords? There's a King of Wands, something ambition. Na kumaga unti-unti na magkakaroon ng changes sa nangyayari sa iyo, sa positions mo. Na lagi mo makakatandaan na yung magiging kahihinatnan. No, ng iyong ginagawa. There's a star card for healing and recovery. Na makaka-recover ka na from the pain, from your situations. There's a temperance to represent what? There's a Queen of Swords. There's something you can look at the bigger picture. Na unti-unti mo na makikita yung magiging possibilities. Makikita mo na yung magiging eksena at magiging outcome. Na linisin mo yung mga bagay na hindi makakatulong for you. What is the Seven of Swords? Represent with the Knight of Cups. No, mag-iingat ka sa mga offer, guys. Baka ma-scam ka. No, baka mabudol ka. No, baka malinlang ka. What is the Ace of Cups? There's a High Priestess. Something a mystery. No, marami pang misteryo sa likod ng pag-ibig. No, marami kang matutuklasan kung ano bang nangyayari sa'yo pagdating sa buhay pag-ibig. Let's see what is the Death card because the Kingman. Represent with the Seven of Cups, with the happiness, magiging masaya ka. Magiging maligaya ka dito. No, mapupunan ka ng kaligayahan pagdating sa pamilya. What is the Knight of Swords because the King of Wands? Represent with the Page of Wands. No, there's something a good news coming in for you. May magandang balita daw dyan. Pero lagi mong tatandaan yung magiging posibilidad. No? Yung magiging outcome or possibilities. Don't expect too much. No? Na-sense ko, huwag ka mag-expect agad-agad. And there's a King of Pentacles with security. Na maging secure ka sa lahat ng gagawin mo. Sa sarili mo. No? Nagkakaroon ng self-sabotage dahil for sharing thoughts and information. No? Nagamit sa'yo, inagawang ka, and there's a Seven of Cups. No? There's something, many opportunities No? Kumbaga, liwanagin mo kung ano yung magiging posibilidad, yung magiging outcome and consequences ng bawat action. There's a time for healing, and there's a divine intervention with a temperance. Paalala sa'yo ng ating divine na you need to pay attention. And there's a 7 of Cups, no, 7 of Wands, protection at pangalaga mo yung sarili mo dito. No, maaring lokohin ka, buduling ka. What is the Ace of Cups? The High Priestess. Represent for a higher fund for a lesson learned. Matuto ka na. No, matuto ka na how to manage and control your love life. No, wag ka masyadong ma-obsess. No, wag ka masyadong paranoid pagdating sa pag-ibig and overthinking. No, kumbaga pagdating dyan, maging ano ka lang, balance. No? Wag masyadong todo bigay. Wag mong ipakita talaga na patay ka. For the outcome, represent with the Queen of Cups, emotional healing. Magkakaroon ka ng healing dito, physical and mental. Emotional, there's a 9 of Cups, something guys with wish fulfillment. And the 8 of Wands, represent of past communication trouble. Ang pinaka-outcome dito, makakapag-trouble ka talaga at marami pa oportunidad na papasok sa'yo. Let's see what is additional messages. Now for love life and for finances muna tayo. There's a 9 of Pentacles with the security. Maging secure ka pagdating sa finances, and there's a justice card for the consequences. So, yung mga bagay na ginagawa mo, ito na. No, ito rin kabayaran. No, kumaga kailangan lagi mo pag-iisipan lahat ng mga magiging eksena mo, magiging kalalabasan ng bawat actions mo. And there's something that work can represent something in trouble. Success coming in for you. What is additional messages? Pagdating sa love life. And there's a 10 of Wands, something burden. Na may nagbibigay pabigat, nagbibigay ng obligasyon, responsibilidad pagdating sa buhay pag-ibig. Isa yan. No? Masyado pa kayo nakatali sa inyong kanya-kanyang pamilya. Pero may pamilya na kayo. No? Kailangan magkaroon kayo ng balance, guys. No, there's an 8 of Wands for something. Okay, dito pala yan. The word card represent, of course, the 5 of Wands. So, there's something gets with a complication pagdating sa love life. Meron talagang kumakalaban, meron talagang, there's something argument, o hindi ka tanggap ng pamilya niya, gato ganyan. Kasi parang ayaw pang matapos sa obligasyon. No, isa sa nagiging problema dito yung no, yung obligasyon na responsibilidad. No, dapat tapos ka na dyan Dati hindi ikaw yung hindi sa'yo lahat yan kasi may pamilya ka na. So, mayroon ka nang dapat tutukan. Hindi sa kailangan, pwede ka tumulong. Pero wag magiging obligasyon, responsibilidad. Additional messages about sa health. And there's an Ace of Cups, no? The Ace of Pentacles. Then there's a King of Cups. May devoted si 40 person dito. May taong sumusupport at gumagabay sa'yo dito, material offer. No? May malaking opportunities na darating dito. At maaaring kaugnayan to na magdadala sa'yo ng kumbaga, mental freedom. Parang mawawala na yung iniisip mo, no? Mawawala yung stress mo kasi may taong susupport at gumagabay sa'yo dito. There's something a new beginning. Pagdating sa kalusugan mo, magiging maganda at kalusugan mo, magiging in love ka dito. No? May taong mamahalin ka dito at may taong magmamahal sa'yo. Let's see what is the magic of fairy messages represent what. For magical fairy messages represent, express your individuality. No, ipakita mo kung sino ka talaga. No, ipakita mo ano ba talagang kahulugan at kahalagahan ng sarili mo. Ano ba yung kaya mong gawin? And there's get some exercise. Some of you kailangan nyo ng exercise, stretching, massage, no? Para palakasin yung katawan. And there's a new career. Magkakaroon ka ng bagong career dito, guys. Let's see what is the yin and yang oracle card. For yin and yang oracle card represent what? And there's a spirit guides, no? There's a something guidance. No, meron talagang gumagabay sa'yo dito. And sa self-worth, alam mo sa sarili mo dapat yung halaga mo. No? And it's something north to the purpose. Malalaman mo kung ano ba talaga yung purpose mo sa buhay. Kung ano ba talaga yung kailangan mong unahin, gawin. For synchronicities, there's an incantation. No, mag-ingat ka sa pag-share ng mga information. Kaya umaasa sa iyo No, ingatan mo magbigay ng mga impormasyon. There's a silent. Maging tahimik ka lang. No, iwasan mo yung pagbibigay ng mga impormasyon. There's a loss. No, gusto nito maubos ka. Kaya umaasa siya Umaasa tong mga tao na to sa'yo. No? Kasi binabase nila yung kinikita mo, yung pera mo. Ganon, hindi nila alam yung gastos mo. I don't know kung mga batugan sila. No? Parang umaasa lahat sila sa'yo. Let's see what is the Romance Angels. And there's a reconciliation. Some of you guys, no? Meron ditong parang manunumbalik yung pag-ibig. No? And there's a calling, hearing from them. No? Makakatanggap ka ng tawag galing sa kanya. Na may magbabalik from the past. What is Archangel Michael messages? Romance angels are helping you. Na pagdating sa romance, ginagawa at pinoprotection at pinapangalagaan ka ng ating gabay. And write about your thoughts and feelings. Na lagi mo susundin yung mga nararamdaman mo. Kung ano sinasabi ng isip mo. For angels answer, there's a helpful people. Maraming taong matutulungan ka pa. Or maraming taong tinutulungan ka. And there's a meditation bring answer. So, kailangan mo magdasal. No? I-surrender sa ating Panginoon. It's up to you. Nasa sa'yo yan eh. No? Kung magkakaroon ka ng desisyon. Kaya ipaubaya mo sa ating Panginoon yan. No? Ipagdasal mo. No? Hindi alam mo guys, no? Hindi masama ang tumulong. Ang masama yung naaabuso ka na. A new earth, it's happening. Keep holding the vision. Nangyayari na to. No, nangyayari na to. And I'm sorry, may hihingi rin ng tawad from the past. So, let's see what is the Romance Angel represent what? So, sabi dito, kailangan maging open-minded kapag dating sa love life. And there's a give your relationship a chance, no? Pagdating sa buhay, pag-ibig, kailangan yung bigyan ng chance, no? Na mahalin ka, na magmahal muli. Even your relationship na nagkaroon ng past life or past relationship, na kailangan yung kapag bumalik tong tao na to, kung mayroon naman mga bagay na wala naman siyang ginawang mali sa'yo, tanggapin mo. No, baka isa lang to kaya kayo nagkaroon ng back out kasi hindi ka pa kumakawala sa responsibilidad. There is a despondence, no? Gusto ni, alam mo guys, mababaliw ka talaga. No, parang gusto nito para maano ka parang mapariwara ka. And there's a renewal. I-renew mo yung sarili mo. Magkaroon ka ng brand new you. No, ibaguhin mo na yung sarili mo. And there's a regret. Alisin mo yung mga disappointment, may mga bagay na hindi mo na mababalik pa. But there's a doubt. No, alisin mo yung pag-alinlangan na of course panghihinayang pagsisisi, no? Alisin mo yung takot. And there's a daydream. No? Meron dito, some of you guys, meron ditong pumapasok sa imaginations mo. It's an intuition. Makinig ka. There's an emotion. Guys, no? Kumaga, mukhang lalawak, mukhang magkakaroon dito, guys, ng heart-to-heart conversation. And there's a magway with the right passage, no? Makakapasa ka sa hamon ng buhay. What is your Archangel messages? Detoxification. Some of you guys, no? Kailangan mo mag-detoxify. Marami ka ng toxin sa katawan. And there's a leave the stressful situation. Kailangan mo na makawala sa nagbibigay stress sa'yo. What is additional messages with an angel's prayer? Flower, bloom, no? And there's an environmentalism. Ibig sabihin dito guys, kapag hindi maganda ang lupa o yung position or kinalalagyan or kinalalagyan mo, hindi ka mag-grow with the flower. No, there's something blossoming. No, kung toxic and very negative yan, yung paligid mo, hindi ka dyan uunlad. What is the energy? There's a third chakra, Archangel Chamuel. Ang dami mo nang nararamdaman dito dahil sa stress. No, there's a muscle pain, heart pain, stomach pain, headache. And there's an angel of balance. So, kailangan mo maging balance. What is the Moonology represent what? Look at the bigger picture. Lagi mo titignan yung magiging posibilidad. Daw yung makalalabasan, there's a win-win outcome forecast at ipapanalo mo tong eksena na to. Magtiwala ka sa sarili mo. What is the Jesus loving quote said? If you faith as a grain of mustard seed, you shall say of this mountain, remove hands of the yonder place, and shall be removed. See, at yung sinasabi ko kanina, no? Kung naniniwala ka, nananampalataya ka sa mga bagay na itinanim mo, na alam mo mag-grow, no? uunlad ka dyan. Pero kung yung bagay na alam mong nasa lugar ka ng punong-puno ng toxic at negativities, hindi ka dyan uunlad. No? Dahil lalo ka lang masisira at kumbaga lalo ka lang masasayang. No? Kailangan mong umalis dyan at kumawala dyan. Kailangan mong bigyan ng importansya ang sarili mong umunlad. Let's see what is the angel's number. Ito yung sinasabi ko kanina eh. Power talaga. And there's a 666 with the great blessings, no? Sinasabi dito, self-love, boundaries, di ba? Letting go. So, talaga sinasabi dito, guys, na kailangan mamahalin yung sarili mo. Nurture yourself. You need desires and boundaries. Let go of the things that are weighing you down. Make space for something meaningful. Expand your spiritual areas of your life. That big love opportunity or job need to squeeze somewhere. So, see? Kumbaga, hindi ka talaga mag-grow dyan at bigyan mo ng laya, no? At bigyan mo ng lugar yung sarili mo para paunlarin. No, dahil kung ikaw ay may bit-bit ng bagahe or mabigat, hindi ka talaga makakaakyat, no, sa gusto mo mangyari. 'Di ba? The more na paakyat sa step na 'yan, the more na mabigat pa rin yung bit-bit mo, hindi ka makakatungtong agad sa tuktok na 'yon. 'Di ba? Tatagal hanggang sa mabulok ka. Hindi pa nag-grow. So let's see what is the messages of life. Kasi kung alam mo sa sarili mo, yung mga tao sa paligid mo, hindi tinutulungan sarili. No? Kung hindi nila binibigyan ng importansya ang pagtulong at hindi nila ni-appreciate yung bawat na binibigay mo, wala. No? Kailangan, kumbaga, tumutulong ka at tinutulungan nila yung sarili nila para magaang. Pero kung umaasa sila sa'yo, dahil, kuya, sir, tantanan mo na yan. Everything changes. No? Unti-unti na babago ang sitwasyon mo. As soft light radiates from my heart, it illuminates those around me and transforms every situation I encounter. I maintain my positive attitudes in spite of any difficulties I may perceive. No matter the circumstances, I remain of source of true joy. Everything changes when it is about of the light of the divine. So see, unti-unti nang babaguhin yung paniniwala, no, yung kakayanan, kaalaman na nanggagaling sa puso mo, sa isip mo, no? Kasi, hindi na unconditional love yun, guys. No? Kumbaga, nandun yung sacrifices, and of course, pagiging generous mo, but definitely, guys, no? Punong-puno ka na negatibo, hindi ka makakalaya dyan. Hindi ka huunlad dyan. Kailangan matuto kang pakawalan at magkaroon ng distansya, no? Sa mga taong magiging silbing anay sa pagtupad ng pangarap. So guys, this is a weekly gabay for the month of April 1 hanggang April 7 for the sign of Cancer. So Cancer, maraming salamat for this wonderful reading. So once again, this reading is a journey lamang hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kung hindi lamang po makaka-relate sa inyo. And comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. And don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and the notification bell for more videos of Drix. Maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawang pagsuporta sa aking channel, lalo-lalo na ang hindi nag-skip ng ads. So, may pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapalit siksik, liglig, nag-uumapaw na biyayang manang balik sa inyo. Maraming salamat din sa next video. Bye-bye! And babush!